exactly. I picked this up at the thrift store today. $7. I mean, I saw it and I knew what it was. In fact, I acted so quick, I took this under the nose from a boomer. So, yeah. You can probably say I maybe stole this from a boomer, but no, it wasn't in his cart, so piss off. Either way, moving on. This is a high air. Or some people in the air conditioning world call it a Harrier. But I'm going to call this a higher wood because the blades look like a 4th gen. Now I know what you're going to say. It's more 3rd gen, but I find the 3rd gen pointy. These are more rounded, so these are 4th gen. Just my opinion. And the back, yeah, there's probably $7. Macmillan motor. DOW134, whatever the hell that means, but I mean, it's almost as thin and small as a 200i, which they probably borrowed it because this is a later model. I'll show you the information. Upside down, yay me. Model FBP020W. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 102.1 amps, 160 watts. Do not immerse in water. Made April 2004 in China. So yeah, this is from an 04 model. Maybe I saw these at Home Depot, but I can't be too certain. And I know Tori has one. He did one some years ago. And, well, why the heck not? And if this case rests out, hey, I got a Macmillan motor. So what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up, and we're going to give it a go. Warning, to reduce the risk of electric shock and injury to persons, do not use in a window. Don't you tell me what to do. Nah. Screw you. But yeah, it's plugged up, and I actually like how it goes low, medium, high. So here's high. It says it's supposed to be 160 or 140 at 1.7 amps, so it's efficient. Medium. Medium, we're running 1.41 amps. And 118 watts. Oops. Nope. This low is like a medium. Medium is high, and high is like whoa. And on this one, we're running 102 watts with 1.2 amps. I think it said that. Yeah, 1.2 amps. Excuse me. Back to the high. And check speed on time now. I understand probably put a drop of oil because it does have the oil ports. So yeah, nothing like an old Macmillan. Or this could be a Raider, which looks like a Macmillan, but we all know it's a Macmillan. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of this high air box fan. Model FBP020W. Right there. Pause take if you want. I picked up for $7 at the thrift store. that I literally yanked it from under the nose of a boomer. It was fun too, because he was pissed. But personally, I don't care. I'm 47, I can't be reasonable, okay? Quick, call Chase, because he's going to embarrass the case. He's going to arrest me. Fuck you, Chase. You did nothing. So, I'll probably clean this up, get it oiled, and it'll be good for the summer. So, next time, wherever it is, unless he's watching, my box is open.